Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel, the Digital Institute of Computing Technology. In this presentation we will have discussion on the topic namespace, scope, and lifetime of variables in Python. First of all, let's see the definitions. Namespace, a container that holds a set of identifiers and their corresponding objects, preventing naming conflicts. Scope, the region of a program where a particular variable or identifier is accessible. Lifetime, the duration during which a variable or object exists in memory during program execution. In Python there are 4 namespaces: local namespace, enclosing namespace, global namespace, built-in namespace. Let's discuss various namespaces in detail. Firstly, local namespace, variables defined within a function. Scope, created when the function is called and destroyed when it returns. We can use locals function to retrieve all the variables with local namespace. In the example, L is a local variable with local namespace, in function func. Output is a mapping of local variable name and its value, L. Local, enclosing namespace, variables in the outer function of nested functions, exists as long as the enclosing function is active. In this example, the function outer has a variable ancl with value enclosing. Now, the function inner is called, which prints the value of variable ancl. Finally, the outer function has been invoked. The output in this case is enclosing. We can use a non-local keyword for modifying the behavior. Let's see the usage with an example. The function outer underscore function has defined a variable x with hello as the initial value. Now, the function inner underscore function is using the non-local keyword for modifying the behavior. It is modifying the value of x to goodbye. We are invoking outer underscore function, which in turn invokes inner underscore function. Since the non-local keyword has been used, it will modify the value of the x in the enclosing namespace. The output in this case is goodbye. Without the non-local keyword, inner function would create its own local x, and the x in outer function would remain unchanged. Global namespace, variables defined at the module level, created when the module is loaded and destroyed when the interpreter exits. We can use globals function to retrieve all the variables with global namespace. In this example, variable glob is assigned a value global. When we print globals to list all the global variables, we get the mapping of global variable name and its value, glob, global. In this case, along with other details, built-in namespace, names of all built-in functions and exceptions, will form the built-in namespace, created when the interpreter starts and destroyed when it exits. Print dir of built-ins with underscores will output all the symbols in built-in scope. Note, the most important point. The scope lookup order follows the LEGB rule: local, enclosing, global, built-in. To illustrate, below is one simple example. In this example we are using the variable x in all the namespaces. As can be seen, x has been used in global scope, enclosing scope and local scope. Outside the outer underscore function, x has a global scope. Inside the outer underscore function, x has a enclosing scope. And inside the inner underscore function, x has a local scope. First, the outer underscore function has been invoked, which will print the value of x in local scope and enclosing scope. And then, we are printing x in the global space, which will print the value of x in global scope. The output in this case is scope, local, scope, enclosing, scope, global, which follows the LEGB rule. This covers an overview on namespace and their types in Python programming language. Hope you enjoyed and liked the presentation. Remain connected with us by subscribing to this channel for latest updates on this channel. Thank you.